In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view agent profile on Zillow desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can quickly learn more about a real estate agent before you reach out. Start by opening your desktop web browser and going to Zillow.com. Once the homepage loads, shift your attention to the top navigation bar. Look for the option labeled Find an Agent. On some versions of the site, it may appear under Find an Agent and Services. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to the area dedicated to discovering real estate professionals. You'll see a prominent search box. Type the agent's name if you know it, or use a city or zip code to browse agents in a specific area. If the name is common, adding the city or zip can help narrow your results. Double-check spelling and consider trying a first name with a last initial or swapping in a nearby zip if you're not seeing the right person. When you're ready, run the search. You'll now be on a results page with a list of agents. Take a moment to scan through the entries. The list typically shows the agent's name, photo, brokerage, location, and review snippets. If several agents share similar names, use the location and brokerage details to confirm you're looking at the right profile. The number of reviews and recent sales can also be a useful signal that you've found the correct person, especially in larger markets. When you spot the agent you're interested in, click their name or photo. That opens the agent's public profile page. Here's where Zillow puts everything in one place. You'll usually find an overview with a short bio, specialties such as buyers or sellers representation, price ranges or neighborhoods served, and detailed sales history that shows recent transactions. You'll also see ratings and client reviews, which can reveal communication style, responsiveness, and the types of deals the agent handles most often. Contact options are typically visible near the top or side of the page. Use this page to confirm whether the agent's experience aligns with your needs. For example, if you're buying in a specific neighborhood, their sales history can show familiarity with that area. If you don't find the right person on the first try, return to the results and refine your search terms with a city, zip, or a different spelling variation. That's all you need to view an agent's profile on Zillow using your desktop. Follow these steps, and you'll be ready to evaluate agents with confidence.